Hello students, here for BCom 4th semester Indian financial system. So here first chapter introduction. In first we will study about the meaning of Indian financial system, component and functions of finance system, the key elements of financial system, role of financial system in economy, relationship between economic growth and financial growth, as well as reforms of financial systems, objectives and major reforms undertaken in India. So here we will study about complete introduction about the meaning, what is the meaning of financial system, what is the meaning of, what are the components of the, what are the functions, whether it is market, financial market, financial intermediates, or financial service. These all things we will study in detail. Along with that, we will study about the role, what is the exact role of financial system in Indian economy, or how it may help the Indian economy, or the relationship between economic growth and financial systems. So with that, we will study about the major reforms in financial systems, objectives and other major reforms undertaken in India. So next unit we will study about the financial market, meaning, importance, classification of financial market, money market meaning and role, as well as capital market. Money market, here first it is money market and then it is capital market. See here, first it is money market, about money market, then second we will study about the capital market. Money market is the instrument, major player in money market, links between money market and monetary policies in India. Then next, that is capital market, meaning, objectives and significance, reforms in capital market in India. Then capital market instrument. So here the main topics are classification of markets as well as money market and capital market. Third, it is financial market, whether there we have studied about financial markets, and here we will study about detail about financial market, complete detail, that is meaning of markets and types, primary markets, meaning and natures, types of issue, IPO and further offers, methods of making public issues, fixed price and book building. So with that, the main, what is the meaning of public issue, fixed price, book building, then in meaning, process and price determination, red herring prospect, green shoe option, primary markets. Here you see here, it's the primary markets. Here it is the primary market, then it is secondary market. So here the secondary market, we are studying about the secondary market, that is meaning, functions, development of secondary market in India, stock exchange, major topic, that is stock exchange. Stock exchange is important. Stock exchange, meaning, functions and development. Many times the question had been came from stock market exchange. What is the meaning? What are the functions of stock exchange? These all things. Then demutualizations, BSC, NSC and OTC, over the counter exchange of India, Bombay Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange, all these things, demutualization with BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange and OTCEI with origins and growth. We will study detail about how the Sensex goes, how the Nifty goes, where is the headquarters, everything we will study on financial markets. Next, that is financial intermediates, role and classification of financial intermediates, then development of financial institution, functions, types, and in which we will study all the types of financial institution. It is IFCI, SIDB, it is established in 1990, then IDFC 1954, then banking and non-banking financial corporation. We will study about important, it is banking and non-banking financial corporation. Here the SIDB, they had asked many times 5 marks questions or 6 marks. Even the full forms they ask, what is the full form of SIDB, what is the full form of IFCI, so all these things with the structure of banking institution. Then next, it is non-banking financial corporation, that is meaning, functions, growth of NBFC, non-banking financial corporation. Then main thing, what is corporate banking in India, how the corporate banking supports the financial systems or financial intermediates. That is the important major topics, that is non banking financial corporation as well as cooperative banking systems. Other intermediates like merchant bankers, what is the meaning of merchant banker, what is the meaning of writers, custodians, registers. Sometimes they had asked about what is the register. Then share transport, share transfer agents, what are the share transfer agent. Then depository services, what is the depository service, meaning and function. The depository, that is from the paper format to electronic format. So this is the complete thing. Here this topic is important. Make sure you know this topic. Whenever the videos are uploaded, go through that, then take down the notes. Make sure that you study that, because major topics that is from financial markets and financial intermediates, for one or two they may ask what is the importance of financial system. They may, but major what is the main requirement or the main essence of the topics are here. So next, that is financial regulation. What are the regulations? Whichever the financial commission, whether it is Raghuram Rajan committee, or how the RBI make the policies, or the monetary policy or fiscal policy, financial regulation. With both, most of the time financial regulation it comes with the monetary policies that is made by RBI or banking regulation act. So whatever the meaning, first it is meaning, objective, significance of financial system. What is the requirement of financial requirement, regulation, whether it is helpful or not, whether it makes the banking or financial system move smoothly. The more important things are regulation, the rules which are more important. So recommendations. So here the recommendations are there on financial regulation. Then what is SEBI? What is the important SEBI? Security Exchange Board of India, that is objectives, functions, power of SEBI. Important in this topic, that is SEBI topic is more important. When it comes to Raghuram Rajan, exactly what is there in the committee recommendation they have to write same to same. But when it comes to SEBI, the SEBI objectives, functions and powers, they are more easy than this. Even you can go with the meaning, objectives and financial regulation. When you write Raghurajan committee recommendation, you have to make sure that you write exactly how it is there, how the recommendations are, word to word recommendation, because each and word written down as a regulation is more important. So in this topic, only this part you have to make sure that you know each and every essence, what is, how they had written it in the in the regulation, exactly same way you have to copy, or same way you to write with this, with a limited not limited your words. You have to limit your words and write same to same as how the recommendations are given in Raghurajan committee. So then SEBI objectives, functions, power of SEBI is okay. They control the stock exchange market. It regulate the market. It provides rules, how much the interest is given, how much the broker has to be paid, how much the regulations paid by the job, everything. Who all the are the um, speculators, that is bull, bear, lame duck. So these kind of things, all things we will study about SEBI and functions in financial review. So with this we will end our syllabus video. Thank you.